Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video has been pending from long time. Many of you already know that an eagle captured my drone in Andaman Islands, and this story dives deeper into that event. Flying drones near water bodies is quite common. I was searching for some better shots and came across a group of birds on this small island. Well, these seagulls doesn't like to be disturbed. They turned and attempted to hit the drone. It was a close call, so I tried to fly around. Similarly, in Little Andaman, an eagle came close to the drone to check it out. Since the area is remote and not well known to tourists, the eagle might have thought the drone was prey and grabbed it in midair. It all happened in seconds, and I lost connection with the drone. The eagle grabbed the drone and flew into this jungle. This is what I can see in the remote control. If I slow down this footage, you can see the eagle trying to crack open the drone or something similar. There was a tiny pause and some clear footage got captured into drone cache memory. Meanwhile, I was searching for the drone in this forest, and luckily I picked up some signal, allowing me to navigate straight to it. After collecting the drone, I have reached to safe place and then recorded this.
We lost our drone to an eagle. It broke its leg. I've removed the power. After 1.5 hour search, we found it. Luckily, it has fallen from the tree, and this is the damage. There's no memory slot. There's a small damage. Totally lost the one leg of the drone, and the head of the gimbal is also gone. I think it's tried to open up. I don't know why sensors didn't work, and it easily got caught to an eagle. Luckily, the wings are still attached. None of the wing got broke. Camera lens are good. We'll see. I don't know how much it costs now, but I need to fix this. It's completely broken, this leg, and I have to get a cap for this. This button's not working. It was making a vibration, so I have removed the battery. There should be a click on this. The click is not there. Hope if I find a memory card, I'll have a good video.
After further searching, I couldn't find the memory card. The worst part is that there are no authorized DJI service center in Bangalore or in India. There are many third-party options, but I'm not sure how much I can trust them. I decided to inspect it by myself. So if you see closer here, this is hinge, which is or hinge. This is the one which is broken. If you see these marks, all the wooden marks, I think there are some marks, there are some dust. Everywhere there is a dust, and if you see this, gimbal's lens cap is missing. This is, even the Eagle took the gimbal's lens cap. I don't have it. And the memory slot is not there right now. There was slight problem with the memory slot. It was bit upside. I've pulled it down, so everything looks good. The wire's intact, and luckily even this wire, I don't think there is any damage. The button's damaged. If I insert this, so only 2 lights blink, and the third, fourth light is quite behind. If I try to press this, there's no click button. Usually there should be a click button. I think the Eagle would have sat on this or try to press the button, try to turn it off like a human, which didn't work. But let's find out. I brought some tools and we'll see if I can open that. Okay, I got tools ready now. So I got a tool kit. This is T3. If you can see T3, this one's T3. So I'm gonna take T3. These are T3 screws. So just take like this. Work hard or try knocking those down. Hold it tight. Yep, I got the screws. These are the screws. There are 2 more screws we need to remove, and the screws are below the gimbal. Okay, I got both screws now. Once the screws are out, it's time to open this with the help of, it's just open. Here if you try the same way. I'm halfway through and about to remove the upper body. I need to be very gentle because I don't want to break any latches. As I suspected, the power button had an issue. Upon inspection, I found that it was completely broken from the motherboard. This was beyond my skills and expertise, so I had no choice but to send it to a service center in Chennai. The team fixed the power button, but it still doesn't seem to be working. The drone won't power on even after the repair. Upon further inspection, it's been discovered that the power board was also damaged, which took additional time to fix. I ended up leaving the drone at the service center in Chennai for over 2 weeks, but finally it was repaired.
Finally, drone has come back from Chennai. The head gimbal is missing, but others got repaired. Is it gonna rain today? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fly this.
Take off.
Okay.
It's great to see the drone flying again. I did a lot of research and chose this service center in Chennai over the local ones in Bangalore because they didn't require me to send the batteries or remote control. The others wanted the full package, which didn't seem right to me. Anyway, I'm happy now and can continue shooting my videos. Thank you for watching.